Hello, Moondoggie here, and welcome back to Paw Patrol on a Roll. So, we're just gonna jump right back into it, because we're doing pretty good. We're gonna go save our friend, the Walrus. And here come my beloved pooches. I wanna see if I can get their names. Let me see if I can get their names. Hold on. Okay, everybody, front and center. Let me see if I can get your names. Let's see, you got Shay, that's Rocky, that's Sky, that's Rubble, that's Zuma, Marshall, you have Tracker, and you have Everest. Gotcha.
Wally the Walrus is tangled in a net. We have to help him. The path is blocked by rocks. Rubble can use his jackhammer to clear the path.
Okay.
Once the path is cleared, Zuma can dive into the water and cut the net to free Wally. Rocky will take his recycling truck and make sure that Rubble can get through. Chase can keep everyone clear using the siren on his police truck. Okay, Paw Patrol.
Okay.
Let's rescue Wally the Walrus.
Alright, let's go get him. Go ahead, Zuma. Rocky. Chase. I really don't care at this point what you guys think of me. I love my animals. I love my dogs. I love them.
Wally the Walrus is tangled in a net. Help Rubble clear the path using his jackhammer so that Zuma can dive into the water and cut the net to free Wally.
Like right now, if they had a cat version, I'd be playing it. I will legitly be playing it right now if they had a cat version. So I take no offense to playing this game at all.
A golden paw print. You got it. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find.
Yes, everybody, today I will not be talking about my son retardedness, we had some therapy, we had some counseling, and they told me to try to ease up on him. Try to ease up on him.
Pup treats in a mission to earn special pup treat awards.
And I'm trying. It's not easy, but I'm trying. I want to be a good dad, okay? My son wants to go into the family business. He wants to take over this job of mine, which, not to be a dick about it, I do not trust him to save my own life, but you know what? I cannot fault him for wanting to take on the family business. Go ahead, Rubble, show people those biceps. I think that'd be kind of funny if a person actually got like all the dogs just so they could dress them up like this. I think that'd be pretty funny.
Keep collecting pup treats whenever you find them.
Almost there.
It's too far.
I knew it. I knew Rocky was gonna come and help me.
Rocky to turn those pieces into a bridge.
Go ahead, Rocky. Yeah, poop it out right there. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right, now we can keep moving.
As you're wondering what the difference between Marshall and Rocky make bridges. Marshall can only fix them, so there's a huge difference.
Keep moving and help Rubble clear the path ahead so that Zuma can dive into the water and rescue Wally.
I'm working on it, son. God. I frickin' fell. Frick on a stick. Okay. Alright, stuck the landing. I did everything I was supposed to here, so let's drop down and keep moving forward.
You got the pup treats.
That's obvious, son.
To pull the rope to the left, move the left stick.
I also learned that my son is very observant.
Go quickly. You have to get through the path before it closes.
Yeah, closes. You mean before the boat just get raised back up? I mean,
Great job. We're almost there.
I don't think you can close a.
Choose the pup ability.
I don't think you can close a boat, but whatever.
Help Rubble to move the rocks into the right spot.
I would love to. Thank you.
You did it.
Well, of course I did it. I haven't killed you yet. Alright, we're almost there. Kind of funny, the worm was at the end of this and Dragon Ball Z Fighter Z, so we're gonna have like a funny little, you know, clash that, oh boy, this one's finished, so I hit two birds with one stone. And Esport Legends might be finished as well. I'm not sure about us doing the other seasons though, like that's the only part I don't understand, but we'll find out. And I enjoy playing esports, so that might be like the only game you see frequently outside of me beating this in Dragon Ball Z. Like, as I play other games, you'll still see esports frequently because I'm enjoying that game a lot. I want my team to get far.
Great job! Now that Rubble has cleared the path, help Zuma reach the water where Wally is tangled.
How many did I
Dive
get?
under the water to cut the net. Let's go!
How many did I get? I think I missed a bunch. Oh, I got 100. I got 100. We're good. We're good.
Let's keep moving.
I'm too busy talking to y'all. I wasn't paying attention. I'm not saying y'all distracting me or nothing. No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that at all. Anyway.
Choose which... That's great!
It's kind of funny because I kind of wish they make a version about cat versus dogs, like in this scenario, like the actual movie Cat and Dogs. I think that'd be pretty cool and like really funny, to be honest with you. Like you got these dogs and cats are part of a elite organization trying to help mankind, yet they go against each other on a high regular basis. I think that'd be like really funny, and like a funny game to play as well. Alright, 130.
Pick the pup ready, set, get wet. Help Zuma to swim.
Oh god, I hate swimming.
Watch out for fish and seaweed. Bumping into them will slow Zuma down. Ride the water currents.
I hate swimming so much.
Perfect.
Those damn puns, man, I swear. It's like shooting me.
You found a golden paw print. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find. You got the pup treats.
My eye. Jesus Christ. Alright, no more swimming. Thank God. I hate swimming. Not in real life, just in this game.
Awesome.
Which is funny enough, because I actually don't like water levels either, so I guess I don't know.
Keep going. Wally the walrus is tangled.
A lot of games that involve water levels, the level tend to be like overly hard and annoying because you can accidentally drown and crazy.
Collect all the pup treats in a mission to earn special pup treat awards.
I know Chase got to come in and help me at some point. 9 out of 10, he's gonna help me like get across something.
We're almost there.
I hear a lot of birds. He might clear out some birds. Maybe. We'll see. And if y'all wasn't paying attention or couldn't figure it out, Tracker is the very, very last dog that falls in line, and Everest is the husky right next to him. If y'all didn't know.
You got it. See if you can find them all. Find and collect all the pup treats that you can.
Son, you are a huge yarn.
Birds are all over the path. We need Chase to get them to move out of the way.
Yeah, I figured as much.
All right, now we can keep moving.
I don't think those cones are gonna keep the birds away, but you know what? I admire your candor. Like, okay. Just cones are gonna just, oh god, not water.
Ready, set, get wet. Help Zuma to swim.
I deliberately said no more swimming.
Watch out for fish and seaweed. Bumping into them will slow Zuma down. Ride the water currents.
I hate you. I told you, son.
Great job.
Are you fucking kidding me? I wanna go back.
Use the left stick to
I want to go back.
fish and seaweed.
You guys stole a pup tree for me. I wanna go back.
Use the left stick to avoid bumping into fish and seaweed.
They snaked a pup tree for me. I'm still on this. You know what? Whatever. You guys are bastards anyway.
Way to go.
Yep, you snaked a pup tree from me. Whatever, let's finish the mission.
Awesome.
Stupid walrus. Piss me off.
Awesome. You helped Zuma cut the net and free Wally the walrus. Wally's happy that he can swim freely again. Great job, Paw Patrol.
Yes, I guess we're here to help. Y'all snaked a pup tree from me.
You got all of the gold and unlocked the picture for this rescue mission.
Alright, moving on.
Pups, we've got a new mission. Find Miss Paw Patrol to the lookout.
Find Mr. Porter's flower. Okay, I got their names this time, so I'm gonna be like real quick as they pop up in order. Like the minute they show up, boom, I'm gonna say their name. Oh my eye, stop itching, God. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Chase, Rocky, Sky, Rubble, Zuma, Marshall, Everest, Tracker. There you go.
We got a call from Mr. Porter. He wants to enter the Adventure Bay Flower Show, but the flower he wants only grows on Volcano Island. The flower should be easy for Sky to spot from high up in the air. Once we found the flower, Chase can use his Super Spy suction cups to get it. Rubble can use his digger to clear the path for Super Spy Chase. Paw Patrol, let's help
Three
Mr.
of us.
Porter.
All right. That works. Let's go. Super Spy Chase. I want a lot. Super Spy Chase and Medic Marshall look cool.
Super Spy Chase.
All right, guys. It's been a while. Let's do it.
All right, Paw Patrol. We're looking for a rare flower for Mr. Porter to enter the flower show. Help
We're in the
Sky fly
mountains.
through the air to find where the flower grows.
We chilling in the mountaintops. I'm pulling. I'm like super pulling,
Go
dude.
quickly. You have to get through the path before it closes.
Yeah, what happens if I get stuck down though? Is that a mandatory do it over or I die?
Golden paw prints. Some great job. We're almost there. Keep collecting pup treats whenever you find them. You found a golden paw print. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find.
I'll be trying to make sure I don't miss those on the ground. I'm pretty sure I didn't see none back here, so that's like my #1 concern.
Pick the pup. That's great. Mr. Porter needs us to find the rare flower that grows on Volcano Island. Let's keep looking.
And we're only doing it because why exactly again? We're doing this for a flower. Why are we doing this? Last I checked, we want to help people who are in quote alive.
All the pup treats that you can.
You know, like living, breathing organisms. Not saying a plant's not a living creature in its own fashion, but we're kind of about saving people, not potted plants. Why would I sacrifice my team and put my team under this condition, let alone on a volcano at that? So, yeah, no. Oh shit! I flew right into that cloud.
Use the left stick to avoid the birds and clouds. They'll slow Sky down. Perfect.
Oh god damn it, Cloud, move. No, not Cloud for Final Fantasy. I'm talking about realistic, stupid clouds.
When we get back to you got the golden paw print. See
What?
if you can find them all.
Oh,
The
frick.
left stick to
Damn it, I
avoid
missed
the
one.
birds and clouds.
I missed one.
Slow Sky down.
I missed one. Life is not worth living anymore. Oh well. When are you going down? How far are you gonna fly? Okay. I'm sure wondering, like, when are you going down to Earth?
There's a golden paw print close by.
How far did I wind up going? Like, I went so far. Great, now I gotta check the bottom floor. Cause yes, I missed one, so that kills me getting my 200, but I still want to have that 199 on me.
You got it. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find. Find all the pup treats that you can.
Ah, freaking dick, cuz I see this up. Oh, it's nothing. I thought I passed like a plank or something. Like, oh no, I gotta go back, but I don't want to go back. It's so much work to go back. Don't worry, Scott, I'm gonna wrap you up because I'm really, really sad that I missed that pup treat. I'm so sad about that. Oh, is it me or is it cold? Like, I feel a chill all over me. Do you guys got a chill in your house? I know I do. Alright, 99, that's all of them, okay. Except for that one I missed.
The flower is growing. Now it's time for Super Spy Chase. Help him use his suction cups to reach the flower. Super Spot Chase! Let's keep following the path.
Ooh, head itchy. Alright, let's go.
Quickly, you have to get through the path before it closes. Collect all the pup trees you find to earn pup treat awards when we get back to the lookout. Great job, we're almost there. There's a golden paw print nearby.
Now we'll go back to this because once you fall, you can't go back up. So I might as well go back down for that. Okay. Let's see. Let's go down for this. Go up. For this.
You found a golden paw print. See if you can find them all.
The real question is why y'all poop these streets all over the world?
The flower for Mr. Porter is just up ahead. Find and collect all the pup treats that you can. Pick the pup ability that you should use. Let's try.
Oops, sorry.
You did it.
Fuck. Sorry. My eye's really hurting. And then I looked at my ankle, and my ankle's, because I was working, and I hurt my ankle, but the problem is my ankle got like this mark on it. I'm scratching my head like, what is this mark going on here? I hope it's nothing serious. Our super spot, going to work, going to town, going to work. Hop up.
Great job. There's a golden paw print close
And
by.
he gotta run to the tippy of the top. There we go. Made that jump.
You got the pup treat.
Made that jump. Good. I'm not gonna go forward. We're gonna go backwards. Thank
A
you.
golden paw print. You got it.
Okay. Got it.
Choose the pup ability.
Slip, slide, Clyde. Nice shot.
Way to go! The path is blocked by those rocks. We need Rubble to move them with his digger. Whip.
Did Rubble come and help Sky? I do not remember.
All right, now we can keep moving. Collect all the pup treats in a mission to earn special pup treat awards. Choose the pup ability. Perfect!
I was about to say, what the hell you waiting for?
You can switch sides by pressing the A button.
Climbing, climbing. I'm sorry, like I said, I like Super Spy Chase, but when it's time for Spec Ops, God, Spec Ops takes so long.
Awesome!
$24 to go. You still ziplining? Jesus. Oh God.
You did it!
Sorry if I look so distracted. I'm actually like
Whenever you find them.
planning stuff, you know, Black Friday and all that. I hope y'all have a happy Black Friday as well. Get some good stuff. But I just been sitting here thinking like, what am I getting? What am I doing? What am I planning for the devil of all that is Black Friday? But you know, went to see I think like the only game I would get is Spider-Man. Alright, mission accomplished.
Great job! We found the flower and gave it to Mr. Porter. Now Mr. Porter is going to have the best flower at the show.
All this for a show. I endangered the lives of my dolls for a show.
And unlocked another picture.
That's dumb. I must say that's dumb.
Pops, we've got a new mission. Save Man Paw Patrol to the lookout.
Now we gotta save the monkey, and then we're gonna leave it right there. Alright, get dressed, everyone. We're gonna go on our last mission. Meanwhile, I want to figure out why the hell there's a chill going on. Like, there's a legitimate chill going on. Like, goosebumps are popping all over my arms. Anyway, let's focus.
Pups, we just heard that the volcano's lava destroyed a bridge.
Okay.
Mandy the monkey. We
Okay.
have to help. Marshall can cool the hot rocks
True.
using his water cannon so we can reach the bridge. Then Rocky can repair the
Excuse me.
bridge so we can rescue Mandy the monkey.
Okay.
We can let the monkeys know that it's not safe using Chase's siren on his truck.
Okay.
And Sky will use her copter to help Rocky reach the broken bridge. Paw Patrol, let's save
Okay.
Mandy the monkey.
Alright, we got Team A. God, this is like the first team I played with. Marshall. I think Rocky at every mission, to be honest. I kind of know that Rebel or Rocky is in every mission, and I find that kind of funny. Anyway, let's focus.
Help the pups reach the broken bridge and repair it so we can rescue Mandy the monkey. There's a golden paw print nearby.
Oh God, the pathway is all screwed up. Oh God, don't make me do this. Don't make me have to go back and forth, and it's gonna make me.
You found a golden paw print. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find.
I think I got them all.
To pull the rope to the left, move.
I hope I got them all. Be really screwed up if I didn't.
You have to get through the path before it closes. Find all the pup treats that you can. Great job, we're almost there.
Okay, got me getting these dang pup treats.
Pick the pup ability that will help remember.
I was so staring like, what is that noise? I actually got scared for a minute. I'm like, what is that noise in my headset?
Great job! You got the pup treats.
Okay, nothing's down here.
Mandy the monkey's trapped up ahead. Keep moving and help Marshall cool off the hot rocks with his water cannons.
I'm trying, but the problem is, you got this big giant map with hidden dog treats everywhere, and I don't want it all, because I'm just greedy that way.
Keep collecting pup treats whenever you find them.
I am. Wait
These
to come in
rocks
doing.
are too hot to cross. Marshall can use his water cannons to cool them off. That's great! Aim the water thing by moving the left stick. Way to go! Almost there.
Should I file like a report or something? Alrighty. Good to go. Oh, sorry. I was looking down and thinking, cause again I'm still thinking about Black Friday and so much stuff, man. I recently hired an artist. If you guys haven't already knew about that, I recently hired an artist. Only downside is I haven't had like the best of luck being able to get things started, basically, cause I'm trying to pay them, but payments are slow. Are you freaking kidding me, Marshall?
See if you can find them all.
Marshall. But payments are weird, cause due to like I can't like get into my account to send money, cause I need my phone, but my phone is off, and it's something.
All right, now we can keep moving. Collect all the pup
Yeah, I got 100.
treats to earn special pup treat. Which pup? Perfect. Aim the water thing by moving the left stick.
Okay, I got to 100. So once I climb, there we go. So I should be able to climb this and be done. Boom.
Great job.
What's our time
You
looking
help
like?
Marshall cool off the rocks so that Rocky can keep going and repair the bridge.
We got time.
to rescue Mandy the monkey.
War is the okay. Yeah, we're on good time.
Halfway there. Pick the pup ability. That's great.
Now I have to slowly climb it. Granted, like I said, I like the physics on him climbing it, but I don't like how slow he's climbing it.
Awesome climbing. Let's keep moving.
Just climbing it all casual, like you ain't got nowhere to be. So now I'm gonna go back. Got that all that jumping. No, okay, cool. Go right across. Take a look. Nah, I know I still gotta go down. I'm trying to keep a mental. Trying to keep a mental image in my head, but it's hard.
Fine to earn pup treat awards when we get back to the lookout.
Okay. I know I gotta go down. See if I made too many paths on this one. See, I can still keep going forward. Alright, that's that. So I did some wait a minute. I know y'all hear that. I can't make that jump. Oh. Oh, it goes way, way, way back and beyond. Great. Here we go.
A golden paw print. You got it. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find. Collect all the pup treats in a mission to earn special. Rocky can't jump that far. We need Sky to move that lock so we can keep moving.
Yeah, I don't want my guy following that. He falls in there, I'm gonna be super pissed. Just lost one of my eligible dogs to fire.
All right, now we can keep moving. Which pup? You did it!
More ladders.
Awesome climbing. Let's keep moving. There's a golden paw print nearby. You got the golden paw print. Mandy the monkey needs our help. Help Rocky repair the bridge so we can save her.
Yeah. So, oh shit, see, there I go again. I'm too busy thinking. I literally got quiet thinking. And then I'm looking like, yeah. I wonder how many of you guys played Killing Floor. My friend recommended that game for me. Wait, what? There's one more? Did I miss something? Oh.
You found a golden paw print.
Did I miss one? I did. Somewhere or another I missed one. I'm doing so good, but these mountains I couldn't.
Move the pieces into the right spot. That's great. You did it.
Well, Rocky's doing it. I'm just a spectator. I'm just spectating.
You helped fix the bridge and save Mandy the monkey. Safe and sound on solid ground. No job is too big, no pup is too small. And unlocked another picture. You.
Oh, that's this hook thing. I'm like, what is that?
Pups, we've got a new mission.
All right.
Save Mr. Porter and
So with that said,
earned
everybody.
a new badge. I knew here are all the badges that you've earned. You completed 10 rescue missions to earn this badge. You unlocked this badge by earning a gold pup treat on 10 different rescue missions.
Oh, okay.
You to earn this badge. You completed 10. You earned to earn this badge.
Anyway, so with that said, everybody, thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Paw Patrol on a Roll. I really don't know how many levels there are. Again, we're probably close concerning the fact that it went from 5, 10, and you know, a few more. So we'll see. But then, everybody, thank you all for watching, and please continue on watching. And as always, you should be proud, because I haven't told my son to shut up throughout the whole episode, because I've been too busy thinking about Black Friday. And tell everybody, thank you all for watching. Shut up! I'll see all of you when the next moon rises.